Should you spray paint something gold? Yes. The answer is always yes. Let's get into this video. Hi everybody, it's Red, back again with another video. Today we're going to be spray painting this wire container gold, and it holds these little balls in my mom's house, and we're turning it into this. Isn't it so pretty? Okay, so we started off with Rust-Oleum metallic gold spray paint in a gloss protective enamel. Here I went outside, laid down my container, and put down this, what is it called? Wrapping paper. Oh my goodness, wrapping paper down. So the instructions of the gold spray paint tells you that you need to use a primer. I personally was not going back to Home Depot, so I found this old white Rust-Oleum gloss enamel that's white, and I just used that. To be honest, it really doesn't matter. You just need a coat. That's not the actual material of what you're going to be using. So I went ahead and started spraying the container, trying to make sure that I got all the black parts, or as much as I could, because it's a bit difficult because the whole container is perforated. Then I flipped it over to the back and did the same thing. As you can see, it looks like I'm wasting spray paint, but honestly there's only so much you can do because there's so many holes in it. But just keep on going. It's okay if you have any gaps. You just need something for the gold spray paint to kind of stick onto. When I was done, I kind of just squatted, looked at different angles to see if there was any more black that could be spray painted. I figured that it would be better if I could get all the black covered, so I don't have to worry about that when I'm spraying the gold. But again, like, don't stress out. Like, it's not perfect. It'll still turn out nice. Just try and cover as much as you can with the white. So I left this container out to dry for about 30 minutes. I kind of tested it by checking my fingers. There was only a tiny bit of spray paint, but I kind of get impatient with these things because I just want to see the finished product. So I just went ahead and started spraying the gold. So as you can see, I'm doing the same process as I did before, trying to make sure that I cover the white parts that I previously spray painted. With this spray paint, I was really trying to be more sparing. I really didn't want to waste it because I wasn't sure how much I would end up using, but it covers really well. Like, I didn't find myself having to go back and forth over the same place because you have that primer. A technique that I did find really helpful was kind of angling your spray nozzle so that it would cover more of the basket and less of this Santa Claus wrapping paper. As you can see, I'm just kind of fine-tuning everything because I don't want to flip over and do the other side without knowing that this side is complete. So I was just checking for any white areas, any black areas, just to make sure. So this is the finished product of one side. So now we go ahead and flip it over. So at this point, I had kind of started running out of spray paint, but thank goodness we kind of made it work. Everything was covered. We got all the nooks and crannies. After that, I let it dry for about 4 hours, but I made sure I didn't really touch anything until a good 24 hours. And then this is our finished look. I think it looks so classy. It gives the room a really nice pop, and it's gold. You guys know I love gold. But thank you so much for watching. Sorry for the wait on the second video. Please subscribe and comment below on what you think.